Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to make your Valorant profile public on tracker.gg so others can view your status, rank and match history. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head to the official tracker.gg website. So just simply copy the link from the description box below and then go to the official web page. So this is the home page for Valorant Tracker where all stats and leaderboards are available. Now over here, look at the top right hand side corner and click on sign in, or you can directly click on sign in with ID. So choose this option, and once you will do this, will connect your tracker.gg profile to your Valorant account. Now when this prompt will appear in front of you, log in with your Royd ID and give the necessary permissions to allow tracker.gg to access your public game data. So just simply wait for a few seconds for the sign in to complete. Now once the sign in will be successful, as you can see right over here, it will load you and connect your Valorant account, which you can see right over here. You can also see your username at the top, and if you scroll down, you will be able to see all your match data, status and all the match history so far. So if you have created your account for the very first time, it will take some time to load all the match history. So just simply give it a few minutes. And after a few minutes, you should be able to see all your match records right over here. And now let's check whether your Valorant account is public or not. So we will open a private tab and open the account right over here. And let's see if it loads or not. And as you can see, your profile is showing up just fine. So that means your profile is now public. So that's it. Your Valorant profile is now public on tracker.gg and others can view your status anytime. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.